Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off auto delete activity on your Gemini apps activity on your Gemini AI. So for that guys, first of all you will need to get on the gemini.google.com and then get on the top left corner. Now select these three bars. Now select on activity. Now select on this arrow icon. Now here select on this button right here and then select on next. Now again select on confirm. Now select on got it, and that's how you guys now have successfully turned off the auto delete activity option in your Gemini apps activity on your Gemini AI. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.